Time sensitive, take one. Not time sensitive, time lapse. Can you see my bench over there? Yeah. Now get more snow for water. Wanting snow for water. One a little maintenance. Last bit of my wood, folks. It goes to show you definitely want to go and prepare for the bad weather as best you can. Just want to thank you, Lord, for every time you heard me pray. Just want to thank you for rest like this. Just want to thank you, Lord, every time you heard me pray. Just want to thank you for always being there. Amen. You came along, made me want to shout. Just want to thank you, always being there. Being there. Just want to thank you, oh, every time you heard me pray. Just want to thank you for always being there. And I can have paper towels with my wet wipes. These are found over in the travel section. These the wet ones at Walmart. Man, good to use for everything. For hygienics. As a matter of fact, I need a couple. One in the bathroom. It disinfects and cleanses you. So I don't know. It's just like a perfect contour. I got those after Anya Pepper, one of my Kemosabi's wife. Thank you, Anya. It has saved my butt and kept me very, very hygienic on the trail as best I can, you know. Tell you one thing, I totally miss with all my heart. Did I already do that? No. I miss with all my heart those hot, those warm, should I say, on those hot days, those warm, awesome lakes in Maine when I was swimming up there. Got some OR gloves, mittens to go over my wool mittens. Let me show you what's up. These are my wool mittens. And these are my OR external mittens for my wool gloves. So that's what I'll be wearing out and about. What am I missing? Let's turn this snow off. That cool down, and I'll put it in my water bottles shortly. Almost time for breakfast. Almost got it. Almost got my macaronis. Thanks to my sweetheart that gave them to me. Alicia. Or Lishi. I love Lishi. It rings off your tongue like Lishi on Game of Thrones. Oh, I want to show you guys something else. Yesterday, let's knock myself out. Yesterday, what I did with water, no, that's not urine. Yesterday, when I went down to the water source that I found about a half mile down off trail, because this place has no water up here, and it says it's planting gut hooks. Basically, I put water in gallon bags. It's my cooking water. And great idea, man, great idea. Sadly, I didn't come up with it. Wish I did. I seen another dude on trail do it. So when you guys are out on trail, just keep your eyes open on ideas and other people. Be open-minded, you know. Kudos to Handyman, I think that's his name. I don't know if you'll ever see these videos, but and other kudos, man. Thanks for the tank of fuel. You know, it was their last day. I said, hey man, I was shooting straight. I said, hey, y'all got an extra tank that I can buy off you, because you know I'm in the middle up here, and I don't know where the next. At that time, I didn't know where the next resupply was for tanks. Where I'd have to Amazon Prime it. So can I buy one off of you? I knew it was their last day. They said it, and he turned around. He said, I woke up that morning. They got up about 4:30. Them old timers did. Woke my hind end up. But I was cool. I didn't care. So anyway, he turned around and he said, hey brother, by the way, I left you a tank. I left you a tank underneath your hammock over there. Cause see, I hung in the shelter that night. Of course, you can see in my prior videos. I hung in the shelter, and I left you a tank, and beside the tank was a baggie of coffee and a lighter too, man. Kudos, Handyman. See, again, the fourth thing that I want to do is fall in love with humanity and my goals. And stuff like that, those little kind deeds, peace. I'll do the same. I'll do the same. So anyway, that was my water supply. And didn't want to get too emotional there, but I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood. All right, let's do this. Okay. Got to get my food bag. Oh yeah. Just this tape if it comes up. Where's it at? There. This tape. You can't see it, but there's some macaronis in there.